morning, everyone. Today we are presenting on music therapy. Our team members are Nicole Kuntz, Julie Zelandic, and Brandis Burns. Within the last 15 years, there's been a shift in diseases being treated with medication to a more holistic approach to treatment. Today we will cover the history, the use, treatments, and local offerings of music therapy. Music therapy, according to the American Music Therapy Association, is defined as the clinical and evidence-based use of music interventions to accomplish individualized goals within a therapeutic relationship by a credentialed professional who has completed an approved music therapy program. The earliest recordings of music therapy have been found as far back as the time of Aristotle. Since then, there have been many studies done on music therapy, which led to the development of music therapy programs in institutions in the 1800s and the development of music therapy associations in the 1900s. In the 1940s, universities promoted clinical studies in music therapy, leading to a very well-developed music therapy program used today.
The next point I will be touching on is how music therapy is applied to its patients. Music therapy applications first start by deciding which type of music to listen to. Types of music can range from today's music to just beating on a drum and shaking tambourines. The first step in choosing what type of music is how it is going to affect the patient. Is it going to be relaxing, calming, upsetting, or just bringing back old memories? Also, music therapy includes writing songs, making music, and talking about lyrics. A good example of how this is applied is letting the patients decide on the music and how to be involved in it. Different types of healthcare and nursing facilities incorporate this type of activity into the daily activity schedules, such as sing-along, reading poems, having a local band come in, playing polka and folk songs, or even at meal times to enhance the dining experience. Another popular way this therapy is effective is having some type of music playing in the person's room or house, wherever they live. Music therapy applications can be applied in many ways and in different settings, and the results are very effective.
Overall, we have covered the definition, a brief history, the uses for, individuals who benefit from, and music programs in our area. If you or someone you know could benefit from music therapy, please visit the Wisconsin Department of Health website. Thank you for listening today and have a great day.